Something needs to be done. What can be done? Separate the license of the Attorney General as a political and constitutional issue from control by the Pennsylvania State Supreme Court. First of all, it's a fundamental violation of the separation of powers. Secondly, it is an inherent and prima facie violation of the due process rights of American citizens and of Pennsylvania citizens that needs to be changed. The only way to do that is some Attorney General is going to have the courage to stand up and speak and talk about it, say something about it. The Attorney General of Pennsylvania does not need to be attorney except by constitutional fiat. And that's put in there so that the Attorney General can be under the thumb of the state Supreme Court, which, made up of fine people, from time to time gets itself in its difficulties and is corrupted by its own power, unfortunately, and practices. Nepotism, the relative of this person, the member of that person's law firm. Time and time again, this is what citizens and lawyers have to confront when trying to do a job. And when they do that, the attorney who speaks up and says so or tries to do something about it ends up being attacked in a disciplinary process that is so devoid of due process, it's a total mockery of justice. Due process in attorney disciplinary proceedings is nothing but a political avenue to control what that attorney says and what that attorney does. And if you say the kind of things I'm saying, guess what you're going to find, Mr. Attorney? You're going to find yourself under assault. You're going to find yourself being charged. You're going to find yourself deprived of basic constitutional and due process rights, and you end up on the short end of that stick. Well, put me on the short end of the stick. That's okay, because you're not going to intimidate me. You're not going to frighten me. And most importantly, you're not going to shut me up, as you've probably noticed already.